Welcome to the Daily Blizzard, and today we have a slam dunk, and possibly one of the weirdest, most creepiest edits I've seen in a while. So for all you fanboys out there and you want to know what it would be like to watch the Invisible Man ride, well, check out what this guy's done. It's pretty trippy. In fact, it's pretty much the weirdest thing I've seen all season. So now guys, it's time for Slam of the Day, which makes no sense because we've probably just done 2 in 40 shows. So the slam off whenever I bother my hole actually finding one for you. Check this guy out. So from a slam we go to a slam dunk, and we go to the nicest guy in snowboarding, Chuck D. He's got a swing, basketball, basket, Michael Jordan, Chicago Bulls. So that's it for the Daily Blizzard. We always do the Facebook thing and the Twitter thing, so we're going to change it up and we're going to go with Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram here. Haha, see you later.